Getting the Alumni Distinction Awards, like, pretty amazing. Caught me off guard because I got an email from the staff, and then the president wanted to call me, so I was like, oh, what did I do? And then when he told me, I was like, oh my God, that's amazing. I was really pumped for it. Actually, I really liked my experience. I don't think I really changed anything. Maybe study harder would be my only thing. But yeah, other than that, I loved playing the sports and giving back to the school, being with my classmates for my environmental technician program, and also playing rugby with some of the same people in that class was a lot of fun. And then just volunteering was also very good with the sustainability office. I had a blast doing all that, and I was really happy with my Mohawk experience. Getting into the Ocean Bridge program when I was here helped a lot. It was very hard because I remember the one time I had to leave rugby game at 8, go to a flight at 10, and then stay in Vancouver for a week, and then come back at like 3 o'clock in the morning for a red eye, and then go to class. Ocean Bridge is just a program out of Oceanwise, funded by the Canadian government. And what they do is they grab 40 youth all across Canada, and they bring them together so they can bring ocean awareness to Canada and the areas that we went to. It was a very cool program. We had people from like BC, Nunavut, Ontario. So it was just interesting to talk to different people from different perspectives and stuff, and get their take on what ocean awareness and like that kind of stuff means to them. But I think giving back's really important. Like, you get a lot out of it too, and like it's not just the experience and like building up your resume, your CV. It's like actually communicating with like people in the community, going into the environmental field and try to do the most that I possibly can for the environment, and hopefully reverse some of the negative effects we've had over the years. And then other than that, just play some sports and have a good time.